Alrighty, today let's begin one fresh new module that is package management. And in this lecture, we'll be learning about GitHub packages. Imagine a school where students not only write notes but also share neatly packed study guides with classmates. In GitHub, packages work the same way by letting developers publish and share reusable code units like libraries, Docker images, or tools directly inside their repositories. Administrators use GitHub packages to control access, manage versions, and integrate with workflows. This keeps collaboration smooth, secure, and ensures teams always work with the right packaged versions. Let's meet in our next lecture.